This is an old traditional Igbo patterning ritual and beautifying of a bride shortly before marriage. It is not compulsory. It is done if the husband wishes and is buoyant enough. In this period, the woman is not to work. She is entitled to traditional beauty makeups such as uhie, very good and rich food. It lasts for about 3 months. She sleeps on a hanging bed called uko bed. In place of clothes, she wears what is called ogodo. Also, as part of the beauty process, the bride rubs palm oil generously on her body and wear beads called mbagi on her ogodo. During her stay in this period, as part of entertaining herself, she plays music with instruments called ekpete or ibekwe or ebele ububo. She uses this to attract the attention of children who often spend her days with her. At the end of the Igbede period, an elaborate and expensive ceremony is done to show her off to the public. She is taken to the market in a procession known as Ifu Ahia Igbede, along with her friends and age grade.